costs and reducing maintenance. These are key goals for any operation using diesel-powered vehicles and generators. But to achieve them, there's one thing you must know: the condition of your diesel. Hi, I'm Greg. In our last video, we explored the importance of diesel cleanliness. Today, we're taking it a step further: how to know the real-time condition of your diesel fuel. Achieving the ISO 4406 cleanliness class required for modern diesel systems isn't possible with a single pass filtration setup. That's why your dispensing tank must include a recirculation system, one that can clean the fuel to specification efficiently and cost effectively. And to tackle water contamination, a coalescing array is essential to remove free water from the fuel in the dispensing tank. But how do you know if your system is actually meeting those standards? You cannot guess. You need real-time data, and that means sensor technology. It's recommended to install sensors on both the incoming and outgoing sides of your dispensing filter array. This ensures you're not just assuming cleanliness, you're verifying it. If your system doesn't have this setup, HYDAC can retrofit your existing infrastructure. We'll cover that in more detail in the upcoming video. Another powerful tool is the HYDAC FCU1000, a portable, field-ready unit that measures both particle count and water saturation at any point in your system. It's a fast, flexible way to get accurate contamination data right where you need it. Knowing the condition of your diesel isn't just good practice, it's essential for protecting your equipment, your uptime, and your bottom line. Stay tuned for video 4, where we'll explore the CMX Cloud platform, your gateway to real-time diesel quality monitoring anywhere, anytime.